Ready to buy some scrap metal? What scrap metal are you getting?
Elemental nature one.
Shh. You know what happened yesterday when there was like
They just
first order
randomly turned up.
Yeah, they did.
I was waiting for them to take you away, and they never did.
I'm one of them, so it's fine. I was like a secret sleeper agent.
Sleeper agent.
Because I'm sleepy.
Where does he's a joke player.
Okay.
Where does a spy sleep?
A spy? I don't know.
Undercovers.
Go through this and see.
What's in here?
You were not followed by any stormtroopers. Welcome to the workshop. I know it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. Now, to some of you, you may look around and see what appears to be a bunch of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. Now, you've met my fellow gatherers, and you may call me Kimbit. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the farthest reaches of the galaxy for ancient relics. We search the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. Now, what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper would see only worthless clutter, to those who know, they see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You have each heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, correct? Correct? Yes. Well, we have caught wind of a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Rey, yes. Now what Rey is leading is the spark of hope that many have been waiting for. And that is why each of you are here today to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art, and the saber is a reflection of its builder with force flowing between them, binding them. And today, each of you will feel that connection. But enough of my talking, let us begin. And so, we begin with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue. Wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And now, as we're still here, Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn. Ahsoka Tano. Master Yoda himself. And Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. Rare and beautiful like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. And we are here, right now, for each of you, our future. The time has come for each of you to select your very own kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, please indulge me by closing your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. And in your mind's eye, picture your kyber crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now mentally select your kyber crystal and open your eyes. Take your kyber crystal. And remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you as well. Excellent. Everyone, please place your kyber crystal in the green crystal holder in front of you. The time has come to join your kyber crystal with the saber design you have each selected. And so we begin with the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of your control, and also the part that keeps your hand from being disintegrated. It is important. Now, in front of you are the parts of each chosen. Review them very carefully from left to right. Starting at the very far left, you will find your chassis. Moving over to the far right, you will find your activation plates. In the middle, you will find your grips, emitters, and bubble caps. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey. And just as you chose your kyber crystal, you would choose each part that will make up your very own unique lightsaber. And the gatherers are here to assist you on this journey. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Very well. Let us build.
Welcome, travelers. My name is Karina. I'm assisting on your boat today. So all three of you, of course, have chosen the kyber crystal. Of course, the kyber crystal is supposed to go ahead and simply align the two holes you see in the center. The top end of the kyber crystal is pushed into the top end hole. Go ahead and line up like this. Simply go ahead and try to align it from the bottom from that point. It sounds probably the hardest part. I'll be able to assist anybody if need be. Almost there.
I don't like this bit.
Squiddly.
I was trying to do yours last night.
Bottom first and then push the top.
There we go.
Have you lighted up?
Mine's not lighted up.
Great. Now, of course,
Mine's not lighted.
I guess the crystal's not strong, my friend. No worries. Oh!
Have I put it upside down?
You put it upside down.
Tell me why.
No worries. It's all good, it's all good, it happens. Easy mistake. No. In that case. Alright, this is going to be the end of this build, okay? You're going to borrow my chassis, is that okay?
Yes, fine.
Okay, no worries. Sometimes the kyber crystal, my friend, you can go ahead and completely spark out anything that it comes near in here to it. Alrighty. So of course, what I can assume, this kyber crystal is no good. That's okay. Alrighty.
Of course, it is always you.
I'm going to try this one on this original chassis. Okay.
Hey.
As of course you can tell, there's a red and a blue symbol in the center. Each activation plate set will have those same symbols as well. Just go ahead, make sure the red, make sure the blue symbol touches the blue symbol in the center. Like this, blue symbol touches the blue symbol. And make sure that red symbol touches the red symbol at the center as well. Choose one of the two sets.
Alright.
Snap it.
Okay, you're gonna twist it with like
There we go.
Excellent work. Of course, you need to know how to activate and let it go. Alrighty. Now, of course, you can give yours a go. Excellent. Now, of course, we're going to move on to our grips. Do you know this? There's a distinguishable ring around only one of the sides. That, of course, is the side. It's supposed to go in towards the center. like that. Rings facing towards the center. You do the same thing to the other side. So of course, when you find one that you like the most, press down. Twist it to the right, which is going to be your guys' left. Go ahead and lock it and secure it into place. Choose any two. One for the top.
You can make it so it aligns. The way.
So go ahead, press it down, and give it a simple twist to the left.
You can always change it later.
I'll show you later.
You can do it later. I did mine.
And do the same thing with the other one. Just lean it to the other side. Maybe twist it.
You happy?
Alright, my friend, ready to hold onto your emitter. Simply screws onto the top, and the pommel screws onto the bottom.
You have not. Well, you are impressive. What's your name? Lorelai. My name is Lorelai. Workshop.
That's nice.
Move on to your emitter.
Nope. Instant now. You can do it.
It's bugging me.
That looks great. Force symmetry is something we don't really go ahead and worry about too much in the workshop. Does that help a little bit?
I'll sort it out.
Yeah, no worries. You can easily go ahead. If you play with it around whenever you go ahead and go back to your front end, you can easily go ahead and probably line up a little better. So of course, when the time comes when you activate the lightsaber, all you're going to do is switch up like that, you'll be good to go. You'll know when the time comes, because everyone else will do the same thing together. That's great. Especially because it shows everything with this similar design, so really, really good. How we doing?
Happy? Thick, yeah.
Time comes to activate like that. And replace it. And when the time comes, go ahead and do what to do with it. Make sure you know how to activate it.
Now, I'm noticing that these hilts are reminiscent of the old Republic. There's some ancient script written upon these hilts. My friend, what's your name? Leo. Welcome to the workshop. Leo, you have some ancient script written on your hilt. Certainly you must know what it means, so please translate for everyone loud enough so we can all hear you.
I have no idea.
Because over here, Lorelai, certainly you must know what this ancient script reads. After all, you put it there yourself. My friend, what is your name? Will. Welcome to the workshop. Will, certainly you must know Will. I know you know Will. Just say it loud enough so we can all hear you. Okay. That's okay. No pressure. What does this ancient script read? Did you make that up? No. Well, I'm glad someone in here knows what that reads because I myself do not know either. That's why I'm asking. That's why I'm asking. It's not a test, my friends. Take a moment with your hilt. You place your hand upon it, feel the energy between you. We have each completed our hilts. And nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened because why would it? Which now brings us to the most dangerous part of the process. Builders, leave your completed hilts at your station. Take a large step back.
I want to go boom.
Gatherers,
Go boom boom.
the gatherers are placing each of your lightsabers into a hypercrystal stabilization chamber. This is a dangerous process and requires years of experience, a steady hand, a lot of confidence. My friend, how are you feeling?
Feels good.
Feels good. What is your name?
Vic.
Vic, Vic feels good. We want to keep that good feeling rolling here in the workshop. Now, Vic, I do not want to alarm you, my friend, but I will be honest with you. You are leaning against canisters of thermal detonators. So just don't knock back. You should be fine. What's happening?
Well done. Chosen the part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that first step. We have reached the final stage in the process, and the bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a moment, you will step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and together on my signal, we will activate. Builders, step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Raise them up. You have each constructed a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you, and like them, you too could change the galaxy. It only takes one spark. Builders, please deactivate your sabers. It's the hardest part, I know.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Master Yoda, thank you. In your hands, each of you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present a lightsaber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the battles, and remember, each of you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have constructed today. And maybe next time, we'll be telling your story. To inspire.
Alexa. Huh? We can change it, don't worry. I changed mine.